Right, this is first grade, Module 3, Lesson 5, and in this lesson, students are going to be measuring objects using centimeter cubes, but then they're going to rename their measurement. Rather than saying 5 centimeter cubes long, students are going to simply start saying 5 centimeters long. The idea is that centimeter cubes can be renamed centimeters when we're talking about length. Let me give you an example.
All right, so I've got a ruler here. Now this is not a real to scale ruler, but we're going to pretend this is centimeters, right? And you'll notice that we've got inches on this side and centimeters on this side. Parents and teachers, it's never too soon to start teaching our students the difference between inches and centimeters, and that at this point we're going to be using the centimeter side of our ruler. And the idea is, what we're going to do is we're going to use this ruler, and I'm going to line that up nice and flat there, okay? And then the idea is, if I take a centimeter cube and put it right there, and then another centimeter cube, and another centimeter cube, oh, let's do two more. One right here, and then finally one right here, okay? So to the best of my ability, there's no gaps, there's no overlaps, and I can see that, okay, so I have just laid out 5 centimeter cubes, all right? So instead of saying 5 centimeter cubes long, so like if this happened to be, oh, let's say this was one of those cool paper clips, all right, so there's a paper clip there. Instead of saying that this paper clip is 5 centimeter cubes long, we want students to start saying that this is 5 centimeters long, rather than saying it's 5 centimeter cubes long. Parents and teachers, ideally what's happening is we are slowly, incrementally getting students from using informal measurements, using centimeter cubes, to the more formal measurement of actually using the centimeters on a ruler. So this is a baby step towards that ultimate goal. So it says, Justin collects stickers, use these centimeter cubes to measure Justin's stickers. Complete the sentences about Justin's stickers. So the idea is, now by the way, this is not to scale the same as in your teacher's book, your teacher's edition. I just grabbed this photo, it's scaled it some way. These are not really centimeters, so my answer is not going to match your answer. But parents and teachers, what I wanted to do is just show the thought process that's going on, not actually give you the right answer in this case. Boy, if I could give you the right answer, I'd love to do that. So anyway, so we want students to measure this sticker. So we're going to put the cubes here, 1, 2, and I'm just going to quickly, and I don't know how quick I'm going to be able to do this. Okay, well, I don't need to pause. Let's just keep doing. So I'm putting these cubes here. I'm lining them up. No gaps, no overlaps, and whoa, a little bit more. Oh, I'll just kind of leave it right there. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11, it's boy, I don't know, it's so close to 10, oops, isn't it? So it's really close to 10, but it's not quite 10, so we're going to call it about 10 or 11, a little bit more than 10. So the idea is, instead of saying that this is about 10 centimeter cubes long, we're simply going to say it's about 10 centimeters long. And instead of talking about the cubes, which we used, we're just going to simply call it about 10 centimeters long. And that's basically it for this video. The idea of using centimeter cubes but then renaming it and just saying the word centimeters. And then when you do that, the natural follow-up is that you can now start comparing objects. You can say, oh, the airplane sticker is longer than the what sticker, and students can start comparing. I wanted to show you, highlight the phrase that some of these questions have more than one right answer. Parents and teachers, let your students just answer as they want and come up with, and if they find one that might have more than one answer, give them the opportunity to find all of the right answers for that particular question. And that wraps up first grade Module 3, Lesson 5. The idea being, instead of us talking about cubes to talk about how long something is, we're now going to just talk about, we're going to be just talking about centimeters. So it's like, in this case, it would be like 5 centimeters. They're not abbreviating it yet, but we're just going to call it 5 centimeters rather than 5 centimeter cubes long.